Hi everyone. I hope you're all doing well during this worldwide lockdown that we're going through. Now, since most of us can't get out for a wax, thread, tint, or whichever method you prefer, today I'm going to show you how I fill in my brows when I'm long overdue for an appointment. Welcome to Aloft Aloft. Today is all about beauty. I will be using a dual end eyebrow pencil by e.l.f. that comes with a spoolie, and it's in the color Natural Brown. I know many prefer to use a pencil, but I actually prefer to use a soft tip. So the first thing I would do is use the spoolie to get those hairs together and into the shape that I like. Then I'll start with the pencil, drawing a line under the brow first. I'll trace under my brow to my liking. Then I'll move to the top. I lightly trace the top of my brow, starting a little ways back from the start. Then I'll draw light strokes at the front to mimic my extremely light and non-existent hairs there. Then after that, I'll fill in the lines to make sure that I hit any sparse areas. Then I'll come back with my spoolie to make sure that I smooth out the lines and the color. If I feel the spoolie has taken away too much color, then I'll just draw those spots back in. Once I'm good with that, I'll go over my hairs with the Maybelline Brow Drama to give me a deeper, more rich color. And using this product, I start from the back and work my way forward. And there's no need to worry about being perfect during this process because the next step is going to clean everything up. Using a flat brush, I apply concealer under my brow to sculpt the shape to my liking. Next, I move to the top of my brow using the same concealer and brush to shape and sculpt it. I switch to a flat brush to clean up the concealer and continue shaping my brow. Then I used a blending brush to blend in the concealer, both at the top and the bottom. Lastly, I used an old mascara instead of eyebrow gel to lay down my hairs and lock them in place. And that's it. Here's a side-by-side comparison of my eyebrows, before and after. I think the after looks much fuller.